In the new agricultural age, everything needs to be fast. Only fast can keep pace with the changing pace of the times. The new Global Hawk T2000 Fast. The spraying structure adopts tandem horizontal layout with large wind field, good atomizing effect, more uniform spraying, larger spraying range, measured up to 12 meters, better penetrability, and higher operating efficiency. The new Global Hawk T2000 Repair Fast. Modular design, full electric pushtail, quick disassembly spindle, quick disassembly tank, integrated engine maintenance structure. At the same time, the use of mechanical and circuit design, repair, and maintenance independently. Simple training. Drone pilots can complete the machine repair and maintenance without professional training to race against the clock for plant protection operations. The new Global Hawk T2000 change quickly. Folding tail, quick retracting and releasing. Easy transportation. Portable cross-country wheels. Easy field turning. The new Global Hawk T2000 effect quickly. The service mode of drone plus special agrochemical for drones can be adopted to improve utilization rate and realize precise application. Quality excellence, skillful work. The hand and heart are highly integrated, which shows the full respect for people and things. Lower cost, longer life, better efficiency. The new Global Hawk T2000, truly born for plant protection. Change comes from the mission. The mission determines the future. The new Global Hawk T2000 is born with time, changes with needs, and glory comes. Quanfeng Aviation is born for plant protection.